on the bottom of the mandolin, like, oh, that's my finger over there. It's just the way it is. So, you know, I went and got a Mandalorian so I can slice some onions and things like that. It's actually called a mandolin, but you see what I did there? This is a Gramercy Kitchen Co 3-in-1 adjustable mandolin. I like to do smash burgers and things like that, so this is supposed to give me like a really, really thin cut, and the onions are supposed to be like translucent. So we're gonna try that today. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, unbox it, see what's in here, and we're gonna slice some onion, and we're gonna save that onion for something else that I have in store. So let's go ahead and get a look at this. Now I got this from Amazon, and it wasn't very expensive. I don't remember exactly how much it was, $20 maybe, but we're gonna take a look at it. Open it up here. Waste no time. We want to get to cut. Oh, it actually comes with a freaking handguard. That's funny. And gloves. That is so funny. I just bought gloves because I didn't know that this came with it. All right, so what we have here is a cleaning brush, which is fantastic for all the little pieces. And we have a handguard, which I didn't know this even came with. And I just bought some gloves because I didn't know it had a handguard. It's got the little prongs to help hold the food on, so then you can push it down as you go. That's pretty cool. Fits nice in the hand. It's got little arrows, tells you which way to go, up and down this way. And we do have some gloves here. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the kind of bag where you have to be smart and just open it. And these are really nice feeling gloves. We'll see if they prevent me from cutting my fingers off, but they should. I like them. I wonder if they fit. Let's try it. I have some pretty massive hands here, so let's see if we can get these old meat hooks in here. And it fits nice and tight. That's actually pretty good. I could punch the onions now. That is really, well, you know what? Now I'm stuck in the glove. I like it. All right, so we have some gloves here, and that's awesome. I'm really happy about that. Then we have the ever so dangerous mandolin. Everybody knows that these things are dangerous. If you don't know it's dangerous, you probably haven't cut yourself on one. So it looks nice and sturdy. It's pretty heavy. It's just pretty basic. I mean, it doesn't do much. It is supposed to be super sharp, so we need to be careful with this thing. Let's see how we open it. Does it go more than that? It's gotta go more than that. There we go. All right, now we have the mandolin open. It's got nice rubber feet on the bottom, so that should keep it from sliding around as we slice. I can actually fit it in the groove of my cutting board, so that's actually pretty cool. And then over here, it's not on the edge of the cutting board, so this is like perfect for this size cutting board. Now, it does have this blade guard here, so we're gonna have to, I don't know how to get that off. Just open this, and somehow we're gonna have to get that blade guard off of there. Let's see how to do that without cutting the crap out of ourselves. Blade guard off. How is it done? There. Right, blade guard is off. Now we are all the way dangerous. All right. Now, this just came out of the box, so we should probably wash it before we start running our food over it. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. You always want to use the glove. If they give you a glove, use the glove. If you don't have a glove, buy the gloves. Then always use the hand guard. I'm telling you, if you don't use the hand guard or the glove or both, you're waiting for your fingers to just be down here on the bottom of the mandolin like, oh, that's my finger over there. It's just the way it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the mandolin with the glove first. Ooh, those onions are looking fantastic. Look how thin that is. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look how thin it is. That is crazy. Now, I don't know what setting this is on. Let's see if we can get it even thinner. But right there, try again. All right. Holy moly. You're not going to get a thinner onion than that, man. Look, you can see my fingers through it. See that? See that? That's translucent, man. That is as good as it's going to get. Look at that. Paper thin. This thing is fantastic. I mean, you talk about knife skills. Man, I will challenge anyone to use a knife, even a really sharp knife like this, to come out with those kind of cuts. I mean, that is razor thin. So we're going to cut some more of this and see how good we can get it. Now, using a mandolin, don't speed, because that's how you cut your fingers off. Just look at that. It's fantastic. And it all just falls right here, right? So it doesn't fall like out here on the side. It falls right down in the middle, right there on the cutting board. This is perfect size for this cutting board. And now what we're going to do is we're going to try this guard. A lot of people don't use the guard and the glove because the guard is hard to hold on to. See, slippery. So a lot of people will use one or the other. So it's actually not safe to use the glove and the guard because the glove doesn't have any rubber grip on it. And you can't hold on to the guard, which is a problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this onion and we're going to poke it right down in here, right down in there. Push this little thing down, little knob. It actually pushes the onion out. So you won't have any onion stuck in here that you can't cut. A little bit, but not much. So let's go ahead and try this with the guard. Now you see it has arrows. I'm doing it wrong. So you have to turn it this way, right? That protects your hands, okay? Protects your fingers. Now, all right, so that's the same exact motion, same cut. Look at that onion. What are we doing here? I just want to eat those. I don't know what to do with my life right now. Like, holy moly. All right, we're just gonna cut some more of those. Gosh, that is so easy. That is so easy. I don't know why everyone doesn't use this. It's pretty cheap. It does exactly what we need. Look at those onions. And you see the bottom of it. You're talking about cleaning. There's not much in here. There's just a little bit of onion in here. There's not much in here to clean. Pretty cool. So I like that. It's fantastic, actually. Yes, your grandmother has a mandolin. It's probably a stand-up one, you know, old school. But this one is a little better. So I like it, and I think your grandmother will like it too. So get her one, man. Get her one.